Hi, this is George Foshin with bestpalosverdeshomes.com with the August update for Palos Verdes and South Bay homes. The first spreadsheet I want to show you is how I derive the data in 6-month intervals of time using the same 6-month intervals but in different years so that we eliminate the problems of seasonality. So in this case, I'm comparing February of 2013 through July of 2013 with the same time period for 2014 in 3 different market sectors: Palos Verdes Estates, the Palos Verdes Peninsula as a whole, and the entire greater South Bay real estate market. So when we do that, here are some charts to take a look at. We notice that for the Palos Verdes Peninsula, sales dropped from 339 homes to 289. The median dollar per square foot of a home sold increased from $498 a foot to $540 per square foot. And in terms of gross sale price, prices went from $1,230,000 from a median sale price to $1,375,000, and of course the median is that price level at which half the homes sold above that point and half the homes sold below that point. This chart shows the general sale trends in both dollar per square foot and sale volume over time dating back to 1993, and we clearly see the prices here peaking in 06, dropping, and then improving since about early 2011. And sale volume was the first thing to pick up, kind of a precursor to sale prices back in 2009. What I find also really interesting is tracking the absorption rate for the various markets, and the absorption rate is the number of days it takes to sell existing supply based on the rate at which homes have been sold in a given period of time. So as we see in 2013, it took 280. Now, by the way, the absorption rate is that number of days without any new inventory coming on the market. It's just kind of an abstract number in terms of defining how many days it would take to sell existing levels. So back in February through July of 2013, at the rate homes were selling then, it was taking 280 days to sell the existing supply, and for the same period now, that has dropped. So that's an improvement, especially given from the last reporting period, January through June of 2014, that's a pretty big drop. So the market in Palos Verdes Estates has really been improving. Compare that to the peninsula as a whole. The peninsula is improving as well from last reporting period to this reporting period, but of course it's taking it is taking more time to sell existing levels of supply compared to last year. But I think that in part can be explained by the fact that prices have increased so much. And then for the South Bay as a whole, no change between January and February, January through June of 14, and February through July of 14, and a big increase, well, not so much of a big increase, but a little bit of an increase in the absorption rate since the period from last year. Again, I think due to the fact that prices have increased, that means affordability is a little bit less, fewer buyers able to afford the prices. Okay, that's it for now, and don't forget to go to my website, bestpalosverdeshomes.com. You'll find a lot of the charts here under seller and buyer tips. Scroll down to Palos Verdes real estate trends. You can click that link, but then also go to these links if you want access to these proprietary charts. Thanks. This is bestpalosverdeshomes.com. George Foshin signing off for now.